steak nigga boy.
That looks delicious, bro. Hey, what are you doing right now?
Getting a drink?
Oh yeah? For what?
Is that a video?
Burp Contest number 2. That's right. That's Dr. Pepper.
Hey, look.
We're gonna have to wait for A-Rob. Here, let's sit here and wait for A-Rob.
Hey.
I'm gonna win again, by the way. That's the same face I made last time, dude. Hurry up!
Dude, that steak was huge.
It looks pretty huge.
Hey, did you see this? Hey.
Wow.
Does that look like me?
No.
Really?
Hey, hurry up! The
That guy
time
on
or
left,
the
that guy on
clock
left
is
does not look
ticking
like me.
on the right.
No, that is me. I'm talking to the guy on the left was my grandpa. My grandpa Dave.
It looks a little bit like you. You got one right now, or do you want me to go first?
Dude,
I'll drink the whole bottle.
it's a fucking can.
Look, he's drinking Mountain Dew wearing a Coke shirt. Like a bitch.
Hey, dude, if you puke on the floor, you gotta steam clean, lick it up. You gotta lick it up and steam clean.
There's a bunch of pressure on him right now. I wonder if I'd punch him in the stomach if he would puke.
That was 3 weeks.
Wow. Alright, I'll show you how it's done.
See, that's a waste of a pop. You know how many pops that I drank out of there? 3 in the last 2 days. You drank 4 in like an hour.
Dude, that's not a waste of pop. Just enjoying them.
Yes, you're laughing. I'm kind of shrugging my shoulders.
His face went.